Hello, I'm Larry Fryer, and welcome to Fortville Feeders. Fortville Feeders is the premier parts handling and feeding system in North America. Fortville Feeders was launched by Michael Kraus in 1979, and he started this business in his own garage. We now operate in a 60,000 square foot facility dedicated strictly to parts feeding excellence. Our engineers are expert designers who combine years of parts handling knowledge with the latest technologies. Our toolers are very high-skilled craftsmen specializing in parts feeding systems. We have our own in-house machining and milling capabilities, including CNC milling, EDM drilling, and water jet direct-to-print cutting. We get involved with various types of FDA types applications, and there's various levels and grades of FDA applications. We send this application out to the customer to fill out, just so we have a nice clear understanding of what the expectations are from all parties. There's different levels as far as clean room levels, and by sending out this specification sheet, it gives everybody a quick visual as to what some of these expectations are. And you can see here the fill and grind with a polish, welded with no pits in a polish, and seams with no cracks in a polish. But you can see these apply to all the various components, and it's good for you and for the customer or the end user to go through here and check mark what their expectations are as far as the FDA grade is concerned. So all the way through the drive unit, the bowl construction itself, even the mounting feet, the controls, the sound enclosure, everything needs to be addressed as far as FDA levels are concerned. This is an example of a complete system. The table, even the table itself was completely made and shrouded with stainless steel. This is a stainless steel track. You can see all the fasteners are stainless steel. It's in a washdown environment. Everything is stainless on it. And again, another couple of examples of stainless applications.